Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In my last video, we have seen the introduction to Tableau, and in this video, we will understand how to install Tableau on your desktop or laptop. Like I said, in this video, we will understand how to install Tableau, and in Tableau, we have different type of tools which we have seen in the previous video. So, why Tableau for public? You must be thinking, why Tableau for public? The reason is quite trivial, because this version of Tableau is free. If you don't have the paid subscription, then Tableau Public is an excellent alternative. Benefits: you can practice most of the program's functionalities on it. You don't have to pay any annual fee. Choice is yours. You either use free version or use desktop Tableau, which is a paid. But there are some limitations for Tableau, and for this version, that is for Tableau for public, there are some limitations such as when you want to integrate with programming language like R, Python, SQL. Tableau for public does not support this. For this, you need to install Tableau Desktop, which is a paid version. However, you can use Excel with this, and you can use it for a practice purpose. So how to install Tableau? Just go and Google, type Tableau public download free. You will just get this link. Click on this link. You will be getting on this page. Enter your email address and click on download the app. Once your download is done, you will be getting a CSV file downloaded in your PC of 417 MB. Then once you click OK, you will get the below screen. Just click on I have read the accept in terms and license and then install. So once you install Tableau on your desktop, this would be the interface which you will come across. I hope you like this video. Keep watching for more videos of Tableau. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.